Hello everyone, let me introduce you next. Our silver hexafluoride gas decomposition product analyzer. What we're talking about now is a calibration gas. It's pure carbon monoxide, 100%. And the inaccuracy is 1%, which can be seen. Now we're connecting to our air inlet. Normally, we connect it to our gas pipe, our chamber. Okay, we're just going to introduce it. And usage. For example, if we turn it on now, because I have already turned it on. If it's not turned on, it takes 5 minutes when it normally starts. There is a waiting time. It is the instrument self-checking and self-calibration. When we turn on the instrument normally, this is the interface, because this is the value we just measured. It is slowly decreasing now. Okay, if we are going to test now, open our gas cylinder. Of course, when we are testing, we also need to plug in the outlet. And then we pull it outside the window normally. Okay, let's open our gas cylinder now. Okay, turn on our pressure reducing valve at the same time, and turn off the flow control valve. Okay, there's a little gas here, then slowly adjust our flow rate. To 0.2, this is my flow rate, because it's pure carbon monoxide. Okay, it's 0.2. Then we can do a series of tests slowly. Or 107. For example, if I have finished testing, after testing, click print to confirm. The data will be printed out from here. This is the data of our carbon monoxide. Okay, when we're going to test it out, we need to turn off the gas valve first. Turn on the gas valve or the pressure reducing valve. Okay. After the airflow is over, then open the flow regulating valve. Open it normally. To let the gas out, after the air is exhausted, it will be easier to pull out here. If there is air pressure, it will be difficult to pull it out. The intake valve needs to be lifted up. Then come and do a demolition. Then you need to push down here. Push the blood pressure plate in. Pull it out slowly. Just insert it normally. Okay, the instrument introduction is complete.